Hey, this is Mason from SegMetrics, and I'm going to be showing you how to track your leads if you're using Leadpages, landing pages, or lead boxes. Leadpages lead boxes are displayed in an iframe, which means SegMetrics can't detect when someone has entered their email address. This may prevent lead source data from being correctly attributed in a timely manner. In order to view your lead source data, you'll need the tracking snippet installed on your site. If you haven't done this already, go check out the video on the first 3 steps to get started with SegMetrics to get that set up. We assume that the tracking snippet is already installed on your main site. Now, you'll just need to install the tracking code in Leadpages. First, log into Leadpages and open the lead page or lead box where you'd like to install your code. Click Page Tracking or Lead Box Tracking in the left-hand sidebar, then select Analytics. Then, you'll paste the snippet below this video into the end of body tag tracking code. Click Save, then update your page or lead box. Since Leadpages uses special lead boxes for their opt-ins, you'll have to add the snippet to your lead box as well. To do this, click on your Call to Action button to bring up the form editor. Then click the link icon and edit your form. From here, you'll hit Pop-up Tracking and paste the snippet into the body section tracking code. Hit Save, then update your lead page, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, let us know if you have any questions.